Good morning. I'm Jayapayas. Let me continue. Second problem under relation of partnership firm. First, let me read the problem. Anand, Chandru, and Vijay. Anand, Chandru, and Vijay are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2 is to 2 is to 1. Their balance sheet on 31/3/18. 31/3/18 is as follows. Creditors 50,000, Anand loan 5,000, bills payable 10,000, bank loan 8,000, profit and loss account 22,000, capital account Anand 20,000, Chandru 20,000, Vijay 10,000, asset side cash in hand 5,000, cash at bank 16,000, debtor 25,000, bills receivable 5,000, investment 18,000, machinery 25,000, furniture 16,000, total 1,10,000. On the above date, firm resolved with the following terms. A. Assets realized, debtors 24,000, bills receivable 4,000, investment 15,000, machinery 22,000. B. Chandru took over the furniture at 10,000. C. Creditors and bills payable are paid at 5% discount. 5% discount. Unrecorded investment raised 4,000. Last one, dissolution expense at 2,250. Prepare realization account, partners capital account, and the bank account. Now, let me explain the problem. For that, we have to draw down like this: heading, realization account, partners capital account, and the bank account. In this case, please remember, we have to prepare realization account, partners capital account, and the bank account simultaneously, because we can save the time and there is no chance of missing the items. Okay, let me explain the problem. Creditors 15,000. This amount should be transferred to realization account. Therefore, by creditors account, because creditor account debit to realization account. Anand loan. What it is? Anand is one of our partner. Whatever loan from partner is there should be paid directly. Therefore, in the bank account by Anand loan account. Bills payable and bank loan. These amounts should be transferred to realization account. Therefore, by bills payable, by bank loan account. Next, profit and loss account. This profit and loss account total amount is 22,000, and it should be shared in the ratio of 2 is to 1 is to 1. 2 is to 2 is to 1. Then they are going to get I yes, they are going to get 8,800, 8,800, 4,400 each. Then in the partners capital account by profit and loss account, because it is in the balance sheet, so I will decide nothing but credit balance. Then partners capital account, it will be shown as by balance brought down, asset side. They have given cash balance and bank balance. We have to prepare bank account, and whatever the cash balance is there, we will transfer to bank account. In the bank account, for the bank balance, 2 balance brought down. For the transfer of cash, 2 cash account. Data, bills receivable, investment, furniture, and machinery. These items will be transferred to realization account. Therefore, 2 data account, bills receivable account, investment account, machine account, and furniture account. Next adjustments. A. Assets realized. Data 24,000, bills receivable 4,000, investment 50,000, machinery 22,000. For that, generate is bank account debit to realization account. Therefore, in the bank account to realization account, in the realization by bank account. Chandra took over the furniture. For that, generate is Chandra capital account debit to realization account. Therefore, in the Chandra capital account to realization account, in the realization by Chandra capital account. Creditors and bills are paid at a discount of 5%. Let me see the amount. Creditor 15,000. Bills payable 10,000. Total 25,000. What the rate? 5%. That is equal to 1,250. Then difference 23,750 paid to bills payable and creditor. Then if the bills payable and creditors paid, then generate is realization account debit to bank account. Therefore, in the realization to bank account, in the bank account by realization account. Unrecorded investment realized. It will be shown in the realization account as by bank account, and in the bank account to realization account. Dissolution expense, if the paid amount, then in the realization account to bank account, and in the bank account by realization account. Now let us record the amounts. First, bills payable and credit transfer by bills payable account by creditor account. Bills payable, how much? 10,000. Creditor, 15,000. Bills payable, 10,000. Creditor, 15,000. Then Anand loan in the bank account by Anand loan account. Anand loan account, how much? 5,000. Then bank loan in the realization account by bank loan account. How much? 8,000. Then profit and loss account in the partners capital account by profit and loss account. If you share, they are going to get amount 8,800, 8,800, 4,400. 8,800, 8,800, 4,400. Partners capital account balance 20, 20, 10. 20,000, 20,000, 10,000. Asset side, cash in hand 5,000. That will be shown in the bank account to cash account. Next, bank account balance 16,000. That will be shown as to balance brought down. Next, data, bills receivable, investment, machinery, furniture. They will be recorded in the realization account at the debit side. Therefore, to data account 25,000. To bills receivable account 5,000. To investment account 18,000. To machinery account 25,000. To furniture account 16,000. And in the bracket asset transfer, here in the bracket liability transfer. Come to the adjustments now. Assets realized, then generate is bank account debit to realization account. Therefore, in the realization by bank account. 1, 2, 3, 4. Data 24,000. Bills receivable 4,000. Investment 15,000. Machinery 22,000. Next one, unrecorded investment. How much? 4,000. Let us see the total. Total is 69,000. And in the bank account, to realization account. Next, Chandra took over furniture buying Chandru capital account. How much? 10,000. In the Chandru capital account, to realization account. Then creditors and bills will be paid at 5% discount. To bank account. Number 1, number 2, creditor, bills payable. Creditor how much? 15,000. And bills payable 10,000. Total 25. Less 5% discount 1,250. That is equal to 753 to 23,750. Then in the bank account, by realization account, how much? 23,750. Next, dissolution expenses, rupees 2,250 for that two bank account, 2,250 in the bank account by realization account. $2,250. Now let us close the accounts. In the realization account, credit side is less than debit side is more. Therefore, by partner capital account, under that 1, 2, 3. Anand, Chandru, Vijay. Totally 1,23,000. Difference is 11,000. If you share, they are going to get 2,200, 4,400, 4,400. And in the partners capital account, 2. Realization account. How much? 4,400, 4,400, 2,200. And you have to make the final settlement. Then 2. Bank account. And first total is 24,000, 28,800. Next total 28,800. Next total 14,400. Difference 24,400, 14,400, 12,200, and they will be shown in the bank account as by partner capital account, by Anand capital account, by Chandru capital account, by Vijay capital account. How much? 24,400, 14,400, 12,200. Now let us see the total of the bank account. Bank account total is 90,000. Here put the word total. And in bracket here 2:1. Thank you. Let me continue tomorrow.